welcome back to my channel. I am back with my friend Ashley.
Hi!
And she also has a YouTube channel, which is...
It's Ashley Johnson, I think. I don't know, I keep changing the name. She'll link it below.
I will. It'll be linked down below. I'll also put it in the eye. So go and check that out. And today we are doing a My Drunk Kitchen segment. I have a delicious sangria with coconut rum.
Mixed wine and liquor, so whatever.
Oh yeah.
Whatever. And I have some Kahlua. It's a mudslide mix, but it's really good.
We are going to be attempting to make some Galaxy vegan donuts. I don't even think that I have had a donut in probably a year. Because I haven't had one since going vegan, so I'm really excited. And I mean Galaxy, so who's not excited for that? We've got our Pinterest recipe, so this might be a Pinterest fail video, but we're gonna try real hard and make some donuts.
Ours are not gonna look that pretty.
No, they're not.
What do we Captain?
Whisk together the dry ingredients.
Okay, so whatever it is.
1 cup flour.
Hold on. This is 1/4, so we'll just do, so it's a cup.
Yeah, so 4 of those.
I can count.
Try to make it as exact as you can, just because this is baking. That's good.
What do you mean? This is baking.
You have to be really exact in baking.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't. It's just when they say a cup, they mean, you know, kind of a cup. Probably overflowing.
1.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Sorry. When I say you should have like some really weird animal
quack.
noise.
I'll just use that. 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Is sea salt okay?
Oh yeah, that's like all I use. I always use pink Himalayan salt.
Is it good?
Yeah. Well, okay, so I always use like a grinder, and so I'll just like grind it in. But
mine's fine. Fine is fine. Just salt.
we'll keep the demons at bay.
Salt never hurts.
Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a pinch of cinnamon.
Wait, that's fish.
Stop! I think that's like 4 pinches.
Cinnamon's so good though.
Oh, we need to make our flax egg. I always do that first thing, but they should have said that.
What's our flax egg?
For the flax egg, it's just.
So this is our egg?
Yeah, our egg. So this is just 1 tablespoon of flax with 3 tablespoons of water. We want it to sit for like 5 minutes.
Okay.
So that it can coagulate.
Your mom coagulates.
That's not going in the video.
Why?
That's terrible. I have family that watches this.
You want to do a drunken kitchen with the most foul-mouthed person in the world. So this is coagulating.
Yeah.
Coagulating.
And then we also need to do the soy milk, or not soy milk, we got coconut milk because soy milk is gross. And the apple cider vinegar. Do we have apple cider vinegar?
Excuse me, camera. I have white distilled vinegar. Oh wait!
You had coconut oil.
Did I?
Yeah, a ton.
You didn't ask me if I had that.
I did.
Did you?
Yeah, I listed off everything. Okay, cool. So we've got to do this and the coconut milk. We'll let it also coagulate.
So this is the egg.
Yeah.
It smells like vomit. Ew!
Yeah, I hate it. It smells so bad.
It's gross. Can you imagine people who drink that in the morning?
We have flavored apple cider vinegar drinks, like juices at Ingles. And I got one once. I got like a grape juice, thinking that it would actually be okay. It was not. Now we need to cook stuff on the stove.
Okay, what are we cooking?
We need to melt together all of the wet ingredients. The milk, vanilla, flaxseed, and butter. Does the sugar go in with the dry?
Yeah, sugar is dry.
Sugar normally goes with wet ingredients.
They're all gonna be combined eventually anyway. So it doesn't
Yeah, but like,
matter.
it's really fun to cream butter and sugar.
What kind of life do you live where it's like, it's really fun to cream butter and sugar?
It is though. So like it's all fluffy.
Get your phone. How do you open it? Or how did you do that?
My finger.
Oh. Oh God.
Yeah, vegan butter is really hard.
What else are you putting in?
Vanilla and the milk and flax egg. And it said to let it melt, but not to let it boil.
That's stressful.
Yeah.
Coolio.
So we'll just
So
let that melt.
it's gonna melt, but not boil.
Yeah.
Not stressful at all. Melt, baby. Charlie, are you there? But supposedly it's supposed to be a Hispanic kid. I do not know a Hispanic kid named Charlie.
I used to know one named Carlos. That's kind of like the Hispanic version of Charlie.
Why does he want to come when you have pencils?
Maybe he's a writer.
So he mixes in that thing?
Yeah.
Aww. Oh, it looks so beautiful.
It smells really good.
It smells amazing. When do we put the food color in?
That's not this. That's the icing.
We make the icing.
Yeah. Okay, so it says using a teaspoon. Spoon the mixture evenly into the donut holes, but we don't have the donut pan.
I have muffin pans.
Yeah, but then we would just be making muffins, not donuts.
That's true.
I think just try to like spoon them.
Into a circular shape.
Yeah, onto here.
Maybe like try like a littler spoon. This is gonna be fun part. The part where we see how awesome we are. I'm going. Oh, I'm nervous that they're gonna be pancakes.
Yeah, they really. This looks so bad.
Yours looks like a semicolon. Or a comma. Oh, mine looks like awesome.
I hope they fluff up a lot. Yours does look good. Mine looks terrible.
Yours looks deformed.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. There's about to not be a hole in the center. Aww. Okay. Yep. I just made a pancake.
Spoon's out of the center. Literally like spoon out of the center. I'm making that thing. Go back.
Maybe after this pan, we should try with the muffin pan. Do you have shot glasses? Because maybe if we like put a shot glass in the center of the muffin pan.
I don't.
Do you have, maybe if we like use tin foil, we can MacGyver it. I think if we should only have it in there for like, I don't know, 7 minutes.
Okay. Do y'all want to show them how it looks?
It looks pretty terrible.
It looks like shit.
So yeah, let's just get some tin foil.
You're gonna dump it in there and make a hole?
No, I was thinking like crumple up some tin foil and put it in there and then put in the stuff.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
proceed. We're MacGyvering. How much are we doing?
I don't put it up.
We'll be fine.
Don't put You want to put it around. Don't put it on there or it's gonna swallow it and we'll be having tinfoil stuffed muffins.
We can take it out. They're not donuts.
Yeah, that's not good. You know what we should do? We should do that weird like tinfoil thing that everyone's been doing.
Make a hat. That's not what everybody's doing with this.
No, they're like making it into a really shiny ball. Haven't you seen that? It's like a Japanese thing. Oh, it looks good. looks like it could be a donut.
We'll see. I wish we had done macaroons.
Well, I've made them before though. I've never made donuts. They take so long. Like they have to sit. You have to let the batter sit, and then you have to let the actual macarons sit for like 2 hours.
Macarons or macaroons?
Macarons. Macaroons are like that weird little coconut cookie, and then macarons are the French little sandwich cookie.
I'm gonna say macaroons because macarons sounds wrong.
We gotta say it with a French accent.
Macaron.
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 Oh no, okay. They look so bad. They look terrible.
Well, guys, we successfully made donuts.
Are they even done? I don't know.
You're gonna touch it with your finger?
Yeah. Alright. I'm just gonna ignore that.
We're just gonna pretend that never happened. Beautiful.
See how they turn out.
You could work at Ingles Bakery. It's not like they're really good with the ingredients. This is the big one.
Try to squeeze it.
It's fun.
Okay. Okay, I think these. We'll see.
These are how they look.
They're better.
We'll see.
Okay, 12 minutes. Those look so bad.
Actually, I want to do this. Oh, Jesus. It's not even going to come up. Oh, my God.
I really want to try it though. Like, I'm very curious. The edges are crunchy.
I'm excited that I sing the most. I'm ready for the icing.
So, 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy coconut
Melted.
milk. I mean, yeah, it says melted, but like, what does it really take to melt coconut oil? 2 degrees? That's really all it takes.
Oh, this is expired.
What?
I'm just kidding.
We just bought that. I was about to be so mad, but not surprised because it's from Walmart. We should make some sort of like skincare something.
I didn't know you were gonna go skincare. I heard skin and I was like, thought you were vegetarian. Doesn't mean I can't wear the faces. Look at your face.
I'll just rub it in. It's just like a lotion. I guess I'll just whisk it.
So wait, we put this in.
Hold on. We gotta, I'm gonna just melt the coconut oil.
This is the part I'm excited in.
Hold on. I'm gonna melt the coconut oil with the friction from the whisk.
The friction. Wait, this is where we do this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I remember Barney said blue and pink, or blue and red make a miracle.
I don't think my friction method is correct.
Well, you can't put that on the microwave.
Okay, so just pour in a little bit. More, a lot more than that. Keep going, like twice as much stuff. We actually got a lot of donuts out of that though. I didn't think it would fill up the whole pan.
Oh.
Maybe we should just like make muffins and then cut out the center.
Hey, look how pretty.
Oh, that is really pretty.
It's purple, guys. Purple nurple. I'll never say that again.
This girl's not making any sense with her instructions, but I'm smart, so we got this.
Smart ass.
So I think let's just like drizzle in some of the like colored ones, and then we'll kind of like swirl it around.
Okay.
I think we need more of the white. Oh, there we go. But I don't want to like mix it too much. I think I think we're good.
I mean, it doesn't look like a galaxy.
We don't want it to. But once we like put the donut in and like twist.
We have to put the donut in there and twist it.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Have you ever cooked?
Not in donuts.
Oh, that kind of looks like a galaxy.
How many galaxies have you been to?
One. You okay?
Yeah, just choking on the coconut.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. But it doesn't look bad though.
Alright.
It's actually super cute.
Why didn't Walmart have a donut pan?
Yeah, I think that's the whole downfall of this. I think if we had a real donut pan, it wouldn't be so bad. No, this one's completely falling apart. It's really good with icing.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we should done, but I'm gonna drizzle some of these on top.
Okay.
It ain't burnt, it ain't good.
I don't think that applies to donuts though. So this is the finished product.
Never get to show the pancakes.
Yeah. Please keep your mean comments to yourselves. These ones really do not look that bad. I mean, they're not donuts, but
They're not great.
we could have done a lot better.
Actually, that looks like a donut more than any of them do. I mean, if you look at it like this, if you can't tell that it's like flat, it looks like a donut.
We'll just pile them all up and then put that one on the top.
This is our donut. I call it a success.
I call it a fail.
It doesn't matter if it's pretty, just as long as it looks good. Tastes good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We've made something that kind of resembles donuts.
They're delicious.
We've got the flat variation or the muffin variation, and they're both pretty messy.
But delicious.
They do taste pretty good. I guess I'll leave this recipe down below if anyone of you want to try it out. And yeah, Ashley's link will be down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cooking videos. In the meanwhile, please enjoy some vegan donuts. Be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!